Namaskaram. Today we are bringing it all together. To build a strong foundation, we must master these four vital pillars. Pillar 1. The foundation. Sarali Varisai is not just for day one. It's about conditioning your ear to the entire musical landscape. By pairing Maya Malavagaula with Hemavati drills, you unlock the ability to navigate all 12 Swarasthanas from the very start. Pillar 2. Synchronization. The slip happens when the song moves but the Talam wavers. Remember, the Kriya is your fixed anchor. The time between your clap and count must be machine-like. If your Talam is steady, your song will naturally follow. Pillar 3. Speed discipline. Changing speeds is not about rushing. It's about mathematical precision. Try slowing down from third speed to first smoothly. If you can slow down without losing the beat, you have mastered the laya. Pillar 4. Your roadmap. Focus on pitch stability, talam synchronization, speed discipline, ear conditioning and daily drills. Consistency is key. For exclusive 3-speed practice packs and PDF notations to help your daily sadhana, join our Swara Sathaka family today. Before we move to Jantai Varisai, let's test your progress. Look for the quiz on your screen right now. You have built the foundation. Now you are ready for the next level. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the Jantai Varisai series.